Welcome, problem solving fans, to another problem of the day. And this one is all about Freya's book. Freya's got some money. She buys a book for £15. In other words, she spends £15. And she has 3/8 of her money left. How much did she have at the start? Well, the easiest way to solve this problem is with a bar model. Well, the question is talking about eighths. So the first thing we need to do is split this bar into 8 pieces. So split it into 2 first, then split each half in half again to make 4 quarters, then split each quarter in half again to make 8 eighths. So we're talking about eighths. Now, it says that she's got 3/8 of her money left. So if we put an arrow spanning across 3 out of the 8 pieces, that's how much she's got left, which means the other 5 pieces must be what she spent. Now, it doesn't actually use the word spent, but if she's buying a book for £15, that's another way of saying she spent £15. So these 5 pieces, or what she spent, is worth £15. But we need to figure out what one piece of the bar is worth. So if 5 pieces of the bar is worth £15, then if we divide 15 by 5, 15 divided by 5, that gives you £3. So each piece must be worth £3. Now the obvious thing to do now is to write that onto the bar model. So £3, 3, 3, 3 and 3. And there's the £15 that she spent. But also, if each eighth is worth £3, the remaining 3/8 that she had left must also be worth £3. So 3, 3 and 3. Now, how much money did she have at the start? That is basically the whole bar, because she started with the money that she had left and also the money that she spent, because she hadn't spent it yet because it was at the start. So spent plus left would be the whole thing. So the whole bar has got 8 sections in it, so that's 8 lots of 3, which is £24. So the final answer, she must have had £24 at the start before she spent anything.